Danger. Extremely flammable. Oh crap. Oh crap. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair a Losi LMT broken axle housing, the trailer trash way. Alright guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Losi LMT broken axles with just some glue and some duct tape. Okay, so I went ahead and took the axle off, got it completely free, and now it should be pretty easy to work on from here. Alright, so this is what we're using. It's called Weldwood contact cement. It says permanent bond on contact, so danger. Extremely flammable. Oh gosh. Oh crap. Oh crap. Alright, what does it say? Directions. Strike, shake, oh shoot. Shake well before use. Let dry until glossy. What? I should have read the directions first. F. Yep, messed up. See, hopefully it bonds together. Alright, so it's dried up, I think enough to kind of be able to go ahead and put the duct tape on, so we're going to go ahead and wrap it around there. Alright, so basically, I mean, that's pretty much what we're doing here. Just wrapping it, and I'm going to wrap it a few more times just to see if we can get it a little bit more structural support, maybe even go around the outside, but yeah, that's the basic concept, so we'll see if it works. Alright guys, so as you can see, you know, there wasn't much flex there, so that's very encouraging. Let's go bash it up and see if it holds together. Go. It actually works. There's like, I mean, maybe it broke. It's still together and it's running. All right, guys. Yeah, if you end up trying this and it works for you, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.